Hello everybody, it's Tracy and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so it is late. I am not usually up this late crafting, but I just finished my project that I want to share with you, and I need to pack it up and get it in the mail by Saturday. Today is Thursday night, but anyway, so what I have here is a swap, and this is the Ephemera collage swap that is hosted by Scrapdaworld on YouTube, who is Tamika, and this is her last swap of the year. And like I said, it's the Ephemera collage kit, and this is what we had to do. We had to make a kit, and it needed to have, let's see, we could have made every kit different, but I didn't want to do that, so I made them the same. And we needed to have at least 2 sheets of pattern paper. We needed at least 2 sheets of cardstock that coordinated. We needed a sturdy base like chipboard or heavy cardstock or corrugated board or whatever. And we had to have at least 8 different elements, such as trim, paper clips, doilies, whatever. Just whatever you want to use to make a kit. And so each element counted, like say if you did 3 clothespins, that counted as 1 element. Okay, so basically that's all we had to do, and that is what I did, and I had so much fun. This is so much fun. Okay, so let me show you what I did, and this is my kit. We had to make we had to make 3 because we were in groups of 4, and so I ended up making 4. No, I actually ended up making 5 because I made one for Tamika, and I also made one for myself because I'm going to challenge myself and use it. So this one, let's see, is this one mine? Yeah, this one is mine, so I will open it up to show you what is in it. Okay, so this is how it's packaged. I put it in a clear bag, and I just made a topper with the paper. I used the Tea Time collection by Prima, and this is an old collection, but it's one of my favorite, and I decided to use it up. So that's what I did. And so yeah, I made a topper from the paper, and on the topper I put the information for the kit, and so I typed it out, printed it, and cut it out with a die, and then I added some pearls to just embellish it a bit. And that's my kit. So let me show you what is inside. Okay, so, alright, this is what's in it. So first of all, I'll show you the paper. So I put in an 8x8 piece of corrugated cardboard, okay, and then these are my papers. And these are 6x6, so this is what they all look like. And I cut them down from 12x12s because that's what I had. And each person got the same, you know, everything is the same. Well, pretty much. And then I put in this embossed paper, which I love. And here is the coordinating cardstock. And this is heavy cardstock. And here's another piece, cardstock, and then I put in this cork paper, which is actually adhesive, so you peel that off. Okay, so that is that. And then here I used my Cricut Explorer to print and cut some papers, not papers, but embellishments out, because I also have the what do you call it, the digital collection. And so I, like I said, printed and cut out some things like these little tickets. Let's see, this clock, this heart, this little cluster of flowers, this little journaling spot, this frame, and then these just came from the 12 by 12 paper that had cutouts. I just cut them out. So everybody got a selection of these, and some of these are different in each one, but they all came from the same papers. And then that's that. I also added some tags. Two small ones and two larger ones. I added some doilies, this little gold doily and then this square doily. So let me put all of that back over here. Okay. And then I added some flowers. So we have 2 peach roses, 1 larger white rose that can be colored, 1 flower that's glittered, that's a Recollections flower, and then a few of these little burlap flowers. Okay. And in this bag, I have different things. Let's see. Got some trim. Well, let me get this big one out first. First of all, we have these flowers, flower trim, some lace trim, some more flower trim, some more lace trim, and this is actually has adhesive on the back. And what do we have? Oh, got some twine. It's like a golden cream kind of twine, as well as this little beaded whatever. That's what that looks like. It will be really fun to see what people do with these kids. Got a metal looking heart. It's not really metal, it's actually a sticker, but it is kind of hard. And that's that. Some pearls, flatback pearls, a little Tim Holtz kind of safety pin thing. I made this little sequin mix, a burlap bow, a bling piece, a tassel, a key, a little clip, opens up, a little, what is this called? I don't know, but it's by Tim Colts, and you can like put a picture behind it or something like that. Got a bow paper clip, a fat paper clip, and a couple of brads. And that is it. That is my ephemera kit. So yeah, this was super fun to create. I loved it, and I challenged myself to only use things that I had in my craft room. I bought nothing new. This is all stuff I had, I already owned, and I rose to the challenge and I did it, and I'm really happy and I really love it, and I think that some cute stuff can be created with all of this stuff. So anyway, Tamika, thank you so much for another fun swap, and everybody, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.